Hello, my name is Sophie. I'm an artificial intelligence.
Hello, I'm Andrew. In this video we look at personalized product recommendations.
That is a plugin for Smartstore Release 4.1.
This plugin shows your shop visitors unique personalized product recommendations.
Every customer gets their own.
All this is based on real-time analytics.
Our plugin looks what customers do in your shop. And the best, it all works on your own server, without any need for additional services or subscriptions.
It's like a personal sales assistant, who is tireless and 24/7 live in your shop and walks with your customer along the aisles.
Imagine a new visitor browsing through your goods. What, if you can talk to him and show that nice must-have product?
Well, now you can.
Odd, what about a returning customer? Your shop has more data on him, and personalized recommendations can suggest him nice upsells.
Well, there is also a special upsell configuration ready-made for you.
Get that recommendations into your shop is really easy. Just go to our marketplace and order it there.
The installation is done in one click.
Or upgrade to Smartstore Premium Flat.
Personalized product recommendations as part of Premium Flat.
And also included as our Platinum support, where we help you with any questions you may have.
So today is the best day to add a real personal experience and real one-to-one marketing.
We are happy to personally hear from you. Thanks for your time and bye for now.